Hi friends, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to explain you the science project which is Health and Cleanliness science project. In this project, we are going to explain how we should maintain our health and as well as cleanliness for well-beingness in this video. In order to keep our health in a good condition, we should do a regular yoga. Yoga is a key activity which everybody does in order to improve our health as well. There are a lot of yoga asanas are there. If we keep doing those yoga asanas, we can improve our health as well. Plus, if you keep our city clean or our village clean, that is also going to improve lot of health in the society, because we are going to keep all the waste items in a proper dustbins, and we are going to separate all these materials, and if you put it in a right place, we can avoid all the unnecessary diseases. That would also improve overall the health in the society. And the next aspect in order to improve our health is we should eat the right set of food. So if you follow this food pyramid, definitely if you eat these right things like fruits, vegetables, and if you can see right, all milk products in a right equal proportion, definitely that is also going to lead, these are meats and eggs, pulses and grains. If we eat these food materials in equal proportionate healthy proportion, then definitely we can improve our health as well. And there is also another aspect which we have depicted here is some of these food items we should not eat, especially if you're talking about finger chips, burgers, pizzas, chips. If we start eating these, definitely we will lose our health in the long run as well. Plus, if we are going to adopt the Ayurveda plants, like we have lemon and we have aloe vera, we have a neem. If you use these Ayurveda plants, there are various Ayurveda plants available in India. If you use those Ayurveda plants and if you start consuming these Ayurveda materials, that would also improve our health. And also, some of the things we should not do in our life is we should not drink or we should not smoke regularly. If you do that, that would lead to a lot of respiratory problems. If you can see, right, this is healthy lungs and this is unhealthy lungs. And if you can see lot of differences, that would lead to various diseases as well. By drinking or smoking, our health also will degrade over the period. This is how the overall science project we are depicted. What are the things we should do and what are the things we should not do in order to bring effective health and as well as cleanliness in the society. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now. Take care.